My name is William Katikamba. I studied primary school at Vela. It's one of the religious schools. After there, then I was selected to Vela Secondary School. After that, I went to Makoha, the Longer Vocation Training Center, to study the diploma in community development. After finishing there, it's when I started to study music, since music is my passion. So I decided to come here at the Music Crossroads to increase my understanding concerning music. So it's all what I can say right now. But hey, music is what I'm feeling right now, and it's what is in my mind, and it's in my blood also. So that's it. I'm currently a musician and an excellent at the Music Course of Malawi. I'm currently staying with my sister. Talking about music, it is something that I can't even hide, because music is what I like. I was born in a music family, but sometimes when you want to develop, sometimes you have to seek that kind of music guidance. So that's why I decided to come to Music Crossroads. After graduating from Music Crossroads, then I started a music business. I'm currently performing in different bands, including churches. So not only having fun in music, but also earning a living out of it. So I should say thanks to my family, because my family accepted me of who I am and how I was born. They could help me, and they always help me what it needs. Our greatest enemy is the sun. Because when the sun strikes, the radiations which comes directly from the sun affects our skin, which makes it difficult for us to live longer in the sun and even to survive. Because when we stay long in the sun, we start developing the blisters. Sometimes we can, I know this, those kind of blisters can even result to cancer. So the greatest challenge. So the condition, the organism condition also affects the eyesight, because we can't even see very far. I really like to see, something which is close, not something which is very far away from me. I even use, the sense of hearing sometimes to recognize someone else. I'll say, if maybe my friend calls my name, William, I'll say, just hearing the tone, I'll say, oh, bro, would say like that. So you see, it is so hard for me to see, very, very far away from me. Currently, I'm the automatic member of ABAM, which is the Association of Persons Living with Albinism in Malawi. We are also advocating concerning this kind of issue, providing necessary materials for people with albinism. Some of the materials which the government itself must provide to people with albinism. the skin lotion, which is called the sunscreen, which helps, protect against the radiations of the sun, and it makes the skin to live the way it is. It does not it does not affect it in any way. So that is very important kind of material which the government must even provide. The sunglasses, like the way I just put it, government must make sure that every people with that music must have this kind of thing, because it helps to control the light which might enter into the eye. Because when there's too much light entering the eye, it might also damage the eye system. So the government must even make sure that this kind of materials are also provided. That is. Not only that, the hats, special hats, which people with albinism wear. So government must make sure that we can provide very important materials. This kind of malpractice, this kind of violence against people with albinism has affected not only me, but the whole of our community. Persons with albinism. For example, I myself get a diploma, but cannot go anywhere to fund the work, because they'll say we cannot even employ you, because once we do that, maybe if we can send you somewhere to do something, people will attack you. So we will be responsible for that. We will be arrested. So they cannot even employ me in that kind of a way, because we are facing because of this kind of attacks. They can't even give me employment opportunity. And I remember one time last year, I had a certain friend here called Mafuta Church. That guy was also attacked last night. It was during night. He was attacked. People just came from nowhere. They wanted to kill him. So that's one of the examples which we as people with albinism we are facing in Malawi currently. And it's affecting us socially, because people cannot interact with us. People cannot do any kind of business project with us, because they're afraid that maybe some people may come and attack us in that kind of a way. So they will lose everything. And I remember that one time, certain circumstances whereby some people were denying to even giving us the rent houses, because they were afraid that maybe if we are giving if we were giving the rent houses, some people may come and destroy the house. They are to get inside and kill that person for some reason. So they were afraid that maybe their property will be destroyed, will be totally affected. So that's some of the few examples which I can illustrate concerning the challenges that people are facing. There are a few things I think they can help to make sure that this kind of barbaric attacks have been reduced, and even getting to an end. One of the things is to equip people with albinism with different technical skills in order to make them earn their own living. A lot of people take this kind of opportunity just because they think that maybe we people with albinism cannot do anything, and we're always underrated just because we don't do anything. So I think the government and they're responsible NGOs and government organizations should equip people with albinism. Technically, like what music process did to me, because I'm playing the guitar and I'm going somewhere and play the guitar and they'll give me something. I'm playing the band will pay me. That's what is happening right now, and that's what I'm doing. So a lot of people I know are respecting me just because of what I do. If I was staying idle, people just say, ah, just do this, like that. So people respect it. And people are still respecting me just because of what I do. So it is very important. People with ability should be equipped. Another thing is that I think the time has come that the government itself, through the Ministry of Education, to introduce this curriculum concerning the origination of albinism. Because this condition, a lot of people do not know where and how the albinism condition comes from. So government should research more, and the government should provide this kind of curriculum so that people, students, should learn more about albinism. If they come to know that albinism comes, is formed like this, comes from this particular scenario, they'll begin to understand. So this is the thing which the government must do right now. The government must also provide, the necessary, housing for the people of albinism, because we have seen let's enter that people were taking advantage, breaking into the house because the house was in the good condition. They go inside and do whatever they like to that person. So government must provide houses, good houses for people who live in albinism, so that this kind of a practice may be curbed. So that is.
Say